Hello, these are the materials for today's video. You will need a safety eyes, a fiberfill, a 4mm crochet hook, scissor and darning needle. Start by making a magic ring. Chain. Then add 6 single crochet inside the ring. Then after, pull the tail. Then for round 2, insert your hook in this first chain and make a increase or 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Then repeat in each for 12 single crochet stitches. Now for round 3, remove the stitch marker, single crochet in the first chain, mark it, then increase in the next chain or 2 single crochet. Then repeat single crochet in the next chain and then increase in the next chain. Repeat around for 18 single crochet stitches in total. For round 4, single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, single crochet 2, and then increase in the next. Then repeat around for 24 single crochet stitches. Round 5, remove the stitch marker, single crochet in the next 3 chains. Two, 3, and then increase in the next. Okay, so just repeat in each chain for 30 single crochet stitches around. Okay, now for round 6, 7, 8, and 9, do a single crochet in each stitch or in each chain for 4 rounds. Now round 10, single crochet, 1, in the next 2, in the next 3, then front loop only in the next 2 chains, then take the next front loop only chain, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2, then repeat single crochet in the next 3, 1, 2, 3, then front loop only decrease. Okay, then repeat for 24 stitches. Then for round 11, single crochet in the next 2 chains, And then front loop only decrease in the next. Okay, repeat around for 18. For round 12 single crochet in the first, and then mark it, and then front loop only decrease for 12 stitches around. And then for round 13, just do a single crochet in each chain for 12 single crochet. Okay, so once done, cut a long yarn or leave a long yarn, and then take your darning needle and insert in this second chain here. And remove this stitch marker. Okay, and then insert your darning needle in the last stitch at the back loop only, in here. Okay, this is the last stitch, and insert in the back loop. So normally you will still have a 12 stitches around. Okay, now we will attach these safety eyes. Count 6 rounds, and then place the safety eyes. 6 here. And then count 6 stitches apart. For the second eye. And then after, add with a fiberfill. Now for this path tutorial, click on the right side above this video or in my description below. Okay, remember we have 12 stitches around in this green here, and then 12 stitches around on this brown yarn. So just sew both of the 12 stitches together. Okay, for the ear, round 1 magic ring, and then chain, then 6 single crochet inside the ring. For this ear pattern, I get the video pattern on my other video, so if you're confused with the color, don't worry, because it's the same pattern for the ears. So just follow along this pattern. Then for round 2, make a increase in each or 2 single crochet for 12 single crochet stitches. Then for round 3, single crochet in the first, then mark it, and then increase in the next for 18 single crochet stitches around. For round 4, 5, and 6, just single crochet in each chain for 3 rounds for 18 stitches around. Then for round 7 and round 8, so for round 7, single crochet and front loop only decrease for 12, and then for round 8, just do a single crochet in each for 12. And once done, cut a long yarn or extra tail.